guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace worn thumbsticks on an Xbox One controller. For this repair you will need a T9 Torx screwdriver security version. If you have one of these, skip the next section as I'll be describing what to do if you don't have one and what the difference between a normal and security version is. Now the T9 screwdriver is these star-shaped ones, and what you'll notice is some of them have a hole. That's called the security version of a Torx screwdriver, whereas some do not have the hole. Now, the Xbox controller screws do have the hole, so that what they will have is they've got a little stick inside there, so you need the version with the hole. But what you can do, which is what I've done here, is you can snap the little stick off with a screwdriver if you do not have the T9 screwdriver with a hole in it already. To access the screws, you need to take off the plate and you'll be left with something like this. To take off the plate, you just need to follow this line along here, grab it with just your fingernails, or if you have it, a prying tool, and just pull it off. It does take quite a bit of force, so don't be afraid to pull quite hard. And just so you can see, the screws will be in the top right and the bottom, and the same on the other side. There are 5 screws on the controller, 2 on each side, and 1 in the center behind the battery sticker. Once the screws are off, the black cover should come off quite easily, and the front cover should just lift off, like so. Replacing your worn thumbstick should just be as simple as just lifting them up and away, like so, and then simply sliding on your replacements. Then simply complete the steps in reverse and job done. I found when replacing the back plate, it goes on much easier if you push down the triggers and then just pop it on like so. Okay, and then you're ready to screw them back down. Another thing you want to be careful of when you are putting the back cover back on is to make sure the battery contacts here do not get in the way. So I found it made it slightly easier just to bend it just a little bit. Don't bend it too much, otherwise you might risk damaging the contact, but if you bend it just a little bit, it just helps it clear the gap. Covers back on, just place them over where they were and then just squeeze them back into place and they'll just clip right in. And there you have it. This cheap and easy repair is a great way to make your controller feel like new. Thanks for watching.